Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Outlook. This is a fundamental skill that will help you organize your professional network and make sending emails much more efficient. Let's get started with this straightforward process. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account to load in your emails. This step is essential as it gives you access to all of Outlook's features, including the contacts section we'll be working with. Wait for everything to fully load before moving forward, as this ensures all your menus and options appear correctly. Once your email has been loaded and you're on the main interface, it's time to navigate to the Contacts section. Look at the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find several navigation icons. You'll see a two people icon here. This is your Contacts tab. Click on it to open the Contacts menu. This area is where all your saved contacts live, making it easy to manage and access important email addresses whenever you need them. Now that you're in the contact menu, look at the top left part of your screen. You'll see the new contact option clearly displayed. Click on it and a general contact window will appear. This window is your workspace for adding all the relevant information about the person you want to save. From here, start by entering the contact's full name in the designated field. This is the primary identifier for the contact, so make sure it's accurate. Next, move down to add their company name and job title. These fields help you remember who this person is and what role they play, which is especially useful if you're managing multiple contacts from different organizations. Then add in the email address. This is the most critical piece of information as it's what you'll actually use to send emails to this contact. Fill in any additional fields provided to add more details for your contact, such as phone numbers or notes about how you know them. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Save and Close. This action will save the contact to your address book, making it instantly accessible whenever you need to compose an email. The contact is now stored in your Outlook system, and you can easily find them by searching in your Contacts tab. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact to Outlook, streamlining your email workflow and keeping your professional connections organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.